everyone, Jai Shri Krishna. So today we'll be decorating this Krishna Jhula for coming Janmashtami. Janmashtami is celebrated in India as the birth of Lord Krishna, and today we'll be decorating this old Jhula I had, and we are going to decorate it with very simple way. So let's begin. So the first thing I'm going to do is to color the Jhula with some acrylic colors, red and blue. We just need one coat for this. Once the color is fully dried, we are going to take some laces, something like this, and we are going to stick it with the help of hot glue gun. If you don't have hot glue gun, you can always use any other glue you have. And I'm going to take another lace and I'm going to stick it at the side of the Jhula here. Once the sticking part is done, now we are going to take some gold color and we are going to make some beautiful designs, something like this. Now in the same way, I'm going to color this as well with blue color. Now start sticking the lace something like this, and it's going to look like this. And in the same way, I'm going to take hot glue gun and I'm going to stick this lace all over the Jhula. If you don't have laces, you can always go to the market and get it from the shops. Or if you don't have this, you can always cut the craft paper and stick it on the Jhula. And in the same way, I'm going to make some designs with golden color. Now our Jhula is almost done, and start decorating it with all the accessories you have. You can keep your Jhula as simple as this one, and if you want to do some more, you can always put some chunni, something like this, and some flowers, something like this. For the video purposes, I'm taking the artificial flowers. You can always take the fresh flowers. Light the diya and put some lights, something like this, and see how beautiful it is looking. Now it's time for our Lord Krishna to sit on the jhula. So did you see, this was so simple to make, and you don't have to really spend much money. You just need some colors and stickers, and you can very well make the jhula at home without spending much. So do let me know in the comment section below, how did you like this jhula? I really liked it and I really enjoyed making it. So if you are new to our channel, do subscribe our channel and hit the ring bell for the notifications of new videos I post almost every week. If you're first time here, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.